Welcome to Choice Champions. The best football foods is probably one of the most anticipated aspects of any game day, transforming a simple match into a culinary celebration that enhances the entire viewing experience for fans, whether they're cheering from the stadium or gathered around a screen at home, making the food choices as crucial as the team's strategy on the field. Number 5. Gatherfun 10 PCS Football Party Decorations. Elevate your football party with our pack of 10 unique honeycomb centerpieces. They are perfect for adding a festive flair to birthday celebrations or any sports-themed event, making your guests feel right in the heart of the game. Transform your watch party tables into a vibrant football field with these decorations. Designed with meticulous attention to detail, they resemble footballs and player silhouettes, acting as a game-changer for your decor. These football honeycomb centerpieces are perfect for more than just game day. They are ideal for any football-themed birthday, sports festival, or outdoor celebration, enhancing the atmosphere and spreading joy. Decorating is easy with this pack of 10 distinct honeycomb centerpieces. You can create a captivating and unified look that champions the love for football, making your event unforgettable with minimal effort. These football centerpieces are not limited to just parties. Their unique designs make them suitable for a wide range of occasions, from party decor to classroom settings. Celebrate the season with flair. What we like. These centerpieces are designed to instantly bring the game day spirit to any football-themed event. If you're looking to create a lively and immersive atmosphere for your guests, these are a fantastic choice. They are perfect for adding that extra touch of football flair to your tables without any fuss. What people say. These picks are adorable and a great addition to any party. They are sturdy and well-made, perfect for holding small appetizers. The variety of designs is fantastic, with different football-themed shapes. Number 4. Gatherfun 100 PCS 16-ounce football plastic cups. Get ready for game day with our 100-piece set of 16-ounce football-themed plastic cups. They're perfect for any football party or tailgate event, making cleanup a breeze. These cups feature a unique design inspired by the football field, complete with yard numbers and patterns. They'll instantly create a fun, game day atmosphere at your party. Each cup holds a generous 16 ounces, making them ideal for serving all your favorite beverages. Whether it's drinks, beer, or juice, they've got you covered. Beyond football parties, these versatile cups are great for birthdays, sports-themed events, BBQs, picnics, and more. They add a sporty touch to any gathering. Enjoy the convenience of disposable cups without sacrificing style. They are the ideal party supplies and favors for any football enthusiast. What we like. With 100 cups featuring a football field design, these are perfect for large gatherings and tailgates. If you need a convenient and thematic way to serve drinks to a crowd, these disposable cups are the ideal solution. They ensure your party stays clean and spirited. What people say. These picks are a fun and festive way to add a touch of football spirit to your snacks. They are sturdy and well-made, perfect for holding appetizers, fruits, or small sandwiches. The football design is adorable and really elevates the presentation of party food. Number 3. Gatherfun Football Party Supplies Kit for 36. Get ready for the ultimate game day celebration. Our football party kit is designed to make your event a winning one. You'll receive 36 high-quality paper plates featuring unique football-inspired designs. They're perfect for serving all your favorite game day snacks. These plates capture the excitement of the game with field yard lines and football patterns. They're ideal for creating an authentic game day atmosphere. Crafted from thickened, laminated cardboard, these trays are waterproof and oil-resistant. Enjoy your food without worrying about spills or stains. With a large capacity, these trays can hold everything from sandwiches and fries to fruits and salads. They are suitable for both hot and cold foods. These disposable trays are ideal for any occasion, including birthdays, tailgates, team celebrations, and outdoor events. They make cleanup a breeze. What we like. This kit provides 36 premium quality plates and trays with a football field design, perfect for serving a variety of foods. If you're hosting a football party and need sturdy, reliable, and thematic servingware, this set is a game changer. They are designed to handle both hot and cold items with ease. What people say. These picks are a fun and festive way to serve snacks at a football-themed party. They are sturdy and hold up well, even with heavier food items. The football design is cute and adds a nice touch to appetizers. Number 2. Brown football plastic picks, 3, pack of 36. Get ready for the ultimate game day experience. These football picks are the perfect addition to any celebration. Crafted for durability, these picks are designed to last through all your parties. Plus, they're reusable, making them an eco-friendly choice. Add a touch of fun to your snacks and appetizers. Their adorable and eye-catching design will surely impress your guests. Whether it's a casual get-together or a big celebration, these picks are ideal for serving your favorite party foods. Each pack comes with 36 picks, ensuring you have plenty for everyone. They are a convenient and festive way to serve. Make your next event a touchdown. These football-themed picks are a guaranteed crowd pleaser for any sports fan. What we like. These picks are durable, reusable, and feature an adorable football design, perfect for adding a finishing touch to your game day snacks. If you want to add a fun and practical detail to your appetizers or desserts, these are a great pick. They are ideal for keeping food items secure and stylish. What people say. These picks are a fun and festive addition to any party. They are sturdy and well-made, perfect for holding small appetizers. The football design is adorable and a great conversation starter. Number 1. Rugby ball cupcake toppers. Bring the excitement of the game to your celebration. These fun toppers are perfect for any sports-themed party, adding a playful touch to your desserts. Beyond cupcakes, these can adorn ice cream, fruits, and cookies too. They are ideal for birthdays, baby showers, and any event where you want to add a sporty flair. Crafted with high-quality glitter cardstock and food-safe sticks, these toppers are designed to shine. They won't easily deform or fade, ensuring a brilliant display. No assembly needed. These toppers come ready to use, saving you precious time. Simply insert them into your treats for an instant festive upgrade. You'll receive 36 toppers in total, with 6 unique rugby player designs. They are perfectly sized to make a statement on your desserts without being overwhelming. We're confident you'll love them. If you encounter any issues, our money-back guarantee ensures you can buy with complete peace of mind. What we like. With 36 glittering cupcake toppers in various football player designs, these are perfect for sweet treats. If you're looking to elevate your desserts and add a touch of sparkle to your football-themed celebration, these are a must-have. They are ready to use, saving you time and effort. What people say. These picks are perfect for cupcakes, cakes, and other treats. They are a great addition to any football-themed party. The picks are durable and reusable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.